Uh, you may be wondering, why is so all the animated battle characters? Well, when I'm on, when I am, when I'm on this scratch, I know the cell where people got eliminated, especially Dolphin. So it looks like this is all song, but pitch, I suppose. So let me show you that OST. You got see that? When I put on Pigeon 7, it got used that people that got eliminated, especially Dolphin. Yeah, you see this character? Seriously, you see this character? Dolphin, the first eliminated animal battle. By the way, the one, by the way, I don't want the season one characters got eliminated again because they just came back. So, I'm looking for a quick break. Don't. Every for some reasons. One, Doe was the first one eliminated. So will we win? I don't know. And I'm looking for a quick break and Livery because they both were my favorite characters. So